Just I have submitted my PhD thesis and I am waiting for the result. I stay in Gurgaon due to my husband's job. Actually, I have born and brought up in a small town of West Bengal. So there was no opportunity to do theatre, and I liked it. In my school life, I did small drama. I did 2 or 3 drama, but I couldn't get the opportunity to study on it. But I was interested to do that. That's why I have joined. In the first day, we did some physical exercises as well as some breathing exercises. In the next day, we did the previous day exercises as well as some voice exercises. Then we did Navarasa and we felt each and every rasa of the whole 9 rasas. Then we performed dance, we performed singing, and we learned about set design, about light design, about sound design, about makeup, about the costume design, and about script writing. And at last we performed a drama. So we have learned all this, and in the first day I was thinking that I don't know many things. I didn't have confidence. I thought I can't sing, I can't dance, and like that. And I was confused that will I able to do the drama or not. I was very much interested to learn, but I like that. So I didn't have confidence. But now at last I can say that now I am very much confident of my own life, and now I am very strong, and now I don't hesitate to do any kind of things like singing, dancing and saying anything. So just and at last I've learned that life is just enjoyment. Age is not a number. Just enjoy yourself. I have learned that. Enjoy each and every moment of life. Now which I do each and every moment. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful life, and thank you for giving me this opportunity, madam, to do the drama, to learn a drama, and definitely from that I have got such wonderful confidence, and I have seen a new life, and it's definitely a beginning of a life of my life actually. And now I can say that a miles to go before I sleep. A miles to go before I sleep.